Let me start with something important. Many seniors wake up each morning with dry, gritty eyes and blurry vision, and they think it's just age. But the truth is this: a lot of the stress your eyes experience happens quietly during the night. Before we go any further, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe. And if you're watching from California, Texas, Florida, New York, or anywhere across the country, let me know your location, your local time, and how your eyes feel today. Your experience matters, and it helps me guide you better. Now, let me ask you a direct question. When you open your eyes in the morning, do they feel dry, sandy, or irritated? Do you need a few moments before your vision becomes clear enough to read your phone, look at medication labels, or recognize someone across the room? If that sounds familiar, I want you to know something clearly. This is not simply getting older, and it isn't something you have to accept. What you're feeling is your tear film weakening, inflammation building up overnight, and the natural repair system of senior eyes slowing down. These changes affect your eyesight, your comfort, and even your confidence throughout the day. The good news is that eye health does not rely only on treatments or prescriptions. There are natural ways to support your eyes, simple steps that fit easily into your nightly routine, steps that work alongside senior-friendly eye health foods, natural eye care tips, and even the best dry fruits for eyesight that many older adults already use. In just a few minutes, I'm going to explain why nighttime is the most important window for eye health, and how 4 natural oils can help calm dryness, support your tear film, and protect your vision while you sleep. These aren't miracle cures. They're practical, safe, and grounded in what we know about senior eye physiology. If you've ever wondered whether there's a gentle, natural way to improve vision naturally, especially overnight, you're in the right place. Let's begin.
Why vision declines as we age. When we move past the age of 60, many people begin to notice something changing in their eyes. Vision doesn't stay steady the way it used to. But most seniors aren't told why this happens, and they often assume it's simply age or something they have to accept. In reality, the changes inside the eyes are very clear, and they can be explained in a simple way. The first change involves the tear film, the thin protective layer that keeps the eyes moist and stable. When we're younger, this layer is rich in natural oils and stays balanced throughout the day. As we age, the oil level drops sharply. When there isn't enough oil, the eyes dry out faster, feel gritty, and often appear blurry first thing in the morning. If you wake up and need a moment to get your vision back, you're experiencing exactly this issue. The second change is inflammation. Not the kind that causes sharp pain, but a slow, quiet form of irritation that builds over years. It makes the oil glands weaker, increases redness, and makes it harder to focus on small text. Many seniors think they need stronger glasses, but in truth, inflammation is often playing a bigger role than they realize. The third change affects the retina and the macula, areas responsible for central, detailed vision. These cells become more sensitive to blue light, oxidative stress, and nutrient loss. That's why reading in the evening becomes harder. Recognizing faces in low light takes more effort, and driving at night feels uncomfortable, especially on bright roads in places like California or New Jersey. And finally, this is the part most people don't know. The eyes repair themselves most intensely while we sleep. If your tear film is weak, if your eyes are dry, or if inflammation is active, the nighttime repair process slows down. Waking up with tired or irritated eyes is a clear sign that your vision is being affected during the night, not because of bad genetics and not because you're just getting older, but because the eyes are not getting the support they need. Understanding these changes is the first step, and the next part will show you natural, practical ways to support your eyes at night so they can function more comfortably during the day.
Natural solutions. 4 oils that support senior eye health. When we talk about improving vision naturally, especially for adults over 60, the key isn't complicated routines or expensive treatments. What many seniors truly need is gentle support for the eyes at the right time of day, right before sleep, when the eyes naturally repair themselves. These 4 oils are simple, accessible, and widely used because they fit easily into a nighttime routine and provide steady support over time. The first oil is extra virgin olive oil. For seniors who wake up with dry eyes, gritty discomfort, or blurry vision in the morning, this is often the easiest place to start. Olive oil contains healthy fats that help strengthen the tear film, the layer that keeps the eyes moist and stable. A stronger tear film means less dryness and less irritation when you wake up. Taking a small spoonful before bed gives your body the exact type of nourishment it needs during nighttime repair. The second oil is avocado oil. This oil is especially helpful for those who struggle with central vision, reading fine print, recognizing faces in low light, or dealing with night glare while driving on bright streets, like many seniors experience in California, Texas, or Florida. Avocado oil provides lutein and zeaxanthine, nutrients the macula relies on for clarity and comfort. When the macula has enough support, vision in dim lighting becomes easier and more stable. The third oil is flaxseed oil. If your eyes often feel irritated, red, or as if something is stuck inside them, this oil may be useful. Flaxseed oil contains plant-based omega-3s that help calm inflammation, one of the most common causes of long-lasting dryness and discomfort in seniors. When inflammation goes down, the eyes feel more at ease, and focusing on small text becomes less tiring. The fourth oil is fish oil. This oil is important for anyone who is concerned about long-term vision or family history of retinal issues. Fish oil contains DHA, a nutrient that forms a major part of the retina. When DHA levels are supported, the retina functions more comfortably, and the eyes gain an added layer of protection as we age. Many seniors who notice gradual changes in vision find this oil especially helpful. Each of these oils plays a different role, but they share one purpose: supporting the natural repair cycle of the eyes at night. In the next section, we'll talk about how to combine them in a simple, practical way that fits your needs and your daily routine. How to use and combine these 4 oils safely and effectively. When seniors begin adding natural oils into their evening routine, the first question that usually comes up is how to use them in a way that feels simple and manageable. You don't need to take all 4 oils at once, and you don't need a complicated schedule. The goal is to support your eyes consistently, not perfectly. One of the easiest methods is to start with just one oil that matches your main concern. If dryness or blurry mornings are your biggest issue, begin with extra virgin olive oil before bedtime. If you struggle with night glare, trouble reading in dim light, or recognizing faces at dusk, avocado oil may be the better starting point. Taking one oil for several days allows you to notice how your eyes respond without overwhelming your routine. Many seniors choose to add flaxseed oil in the evening after dinner, especially if redness or irritation appears regularly. This approach helps calm inflammation before the eyes enter their natural repair cycle. Flaxseed oil is gentle enough for daily use and supports comfort through the night, which many older adults find important. For fish oil, the best time is usually right after dinner or right before bed. This timing supports the retina during overnight repair, when DHA is most useful to the cells responsible for detailed vision. Seniors concerned about long-term eye health, especially those with family history of macular issues, often maintain fish oil as a steady habit. You don't need to mix or rotate all 4 oils unless you want to. What matters most is consistency. A single spoonful taken regularly does more for your eyes than using all 4 oils sporadically. Many seniors in the US report that once they establish a simple nighttime habit, their mornings become clearer and more comfortable. It's also important to pay attention to what your eyes are telling you. If your eyes feel dry during colder months, olive oil may be more helpful. If your night vision weakens with age, avocado oil can support the macula. If irritation increases after long periods of screen time or reading, flaxseed oil may bring relief. And if you're thinking about long-term vision protection, fish oil offers valuable nutritional support for the retina. In the next part, we'll go over important precautions and practical advice every senior should know before adding these oils into their nightly routine. Important precautions and practical advice for seniors. Before adding any of these oils to your evening routine, there are a few essential points every senior should understand. These steps are simple, but they help ensure the oils support your eye health safely and effectively. The first point is that these oils are meant to be taken by mouth, not applied directly to the eyes. Some older adults assume that dryness means they should put the oil on the eye surface, but doing so can cause irritation and make the dryness worse. These oils work internally, supporting the eyes during the natural repair process that happens while you sleep. The second point is especially important if you're taking medications or receiving treatment for conditions such as glaucoma, macular degeneration, cataracts, or if you're recovering from eye surgery. In those cases, it's best to speak with your doctor before adding any oil to your routine. Not because the oils are dangerous, but because your doctor can help ensure everything fits safely with your current treatment plan. Another important guideline is to avoid starting all 4 oils at once. The body, especially in older adults, responds better when changes are gradual. Begin with 1 oil. Give yourself time to observe how your eyes feel in the morning and add a second oil only if needed. This approach makes it easier to understand what truly benefits your vision. Quality also matters. For olive oil, look for extra virgin varieties. For avocado oil, choose unrefined. Flaxseed oil should be stored cold to keep it fresh. And with fish oil, make sure the label clearly lists DHA and EPA levels. Choosing good quality oils helps support your eyes more effectively. Finally, patience plays a big part in natural eye care. The eyes do not improve overnight. Tear film recovery, reduced inflammation, and retinal support all require time. Most seniors notice changes gradually over several weeks. What matters is that you're giving your eyes the steady, natural support they need. In the next section, we'll discuss how these small daily habits can lead to meaningful improvements in your comfort, clarity, and overall quality of life. How better eye health improves daily life for seniors. When seniors begin supporting their eyes consistently, especially at night, the changes they notice are not dramatic or sudden. They are practical, meaningful improvements that show up in the things they do every day. And these improvements often have a bigger impact on confidence and independence than people expect. One of the first changes many seniors experience is clearer vision in the morning. When the tear film stabilizes and dryness eases, reading the newspaper, checking medication labels, or looking at a phone screen becomes less of a struggle. You don't have to blink repeatedly or wait for your eyes to wake up. Your vision feels steadier from the moment you open your eyes. Another improvement involves night driving. Many older adults across the US struggle with glare from headlights and streetlights, especially on bright roads in states like Florida, California, or Arizona. When the macula receives better nutritional support and inflammation is reduced, night glare becomes more manageable. You feel safer behind the wheel and more confident going out in the evening. Supporting the retina and macula also helps with recognizing faces in different lighting conditions. A common concern among seniors is difficulty seeing facial details in dim rooms or at family gatherings. When the eyes are better nourished, these small but important visual tasks become easier, helping you feel more connected to the people around you. Improved eye comfort also has a positive effect on emotional well-being. When the eyes no longer feel irritated or tired, many seniors report feeling calmer and less anxious about their vision. The fear of getting worse fades, and daily activities feel more manageable. You begin to feel that your vision is something you can support, not something slipping away from you. Perhaps the most valuable change is the increased sense of independence. Clearer vision means you can manage paperwork more confidently, use technology without strain, and take care of tasks around the home with less effort. For many seniors, this sense of self-reliance is just as important as the physical improvement. In the next and final section, we'll summarize the key steps you can take and how you can begin this simple nighttime routine starting tonight.
When it comes to supporting eye health after the age of 60, the most important thing isn't complicated treatment or expensive products. It's understanding what your eyes need and giving them small, steady habits that help them repair naturally at night. Vision doesn't decline in a single day, and it doesn't improve that quickly either. But the choices you make each evening truly matter. The 4 oils we've talked about are based on that simple idea. Olive oil helps reduce dryness by supporting the tear film. Avocado oil provides nutrients that strengthen the macula. Flaxseed oil helps calm the inflammation that makes senior eyes feel irritated and tired. Fish oil supports the retina and offers long-term protection as we age. These aren't replacements for medical treatments, and they're not meant to fix acute disease, but they work alongside your natural system in a way that is gentle and effective. If you want to begin tonight, choose the oil that matches what your eyes are telling you. If you wake up with dry or gritty eyes, start with olive oil. If night glare makes driving uncomfortable, try avocado oil. If your eyes feel red or irritated at the end of the day, flaxseed oil may help. If you're focused on long-term vision and retinal health, add fish oil to your routine. You don't need all 4 at once. Consistency will do more for your eyes than trying everything at the same time. This approach respects your body and works with the natural repair cycle that happens while you sleep. For seniors across the United States, it offers a way to improve vision naturally, without pressure or complexity. And with a few weeks of steady use, many people begin to notice clearer mornings, more comfortable evenings, and a stronger sense of control over their eye health. If you want your eyes to feel better when you wake up, if you want reading to feel easier, if you want safer night driving or clearer connection with the people around you, start with one small step tonight. Your eyes deserve that care, and you have the ability to give it to them.
Before you end this video, take a moment to think about how your eyes have been feeling lately. If you've been waking up with dryness, irritation, or blurry vision, this is the right time to make a small change that supports your eye health. You don't need dramatic shifts or complicated routines. A single natural habit before bed can make a meaningful difference over time. The simplest way to begin is to choose one oil that matches your current concern. If your mornings start with dry or gritty eyes, consider adding olive oil to your evening routine. If dim light reading or night driving feels difficult, avocado oil may be the right choice. If redness or irritation shows up often, flaxseed oil can help calm those symptoms. And if you're thinking about long-term vision support, especially for the retina, fish oil offers valuable nutrients. If you have a moment, I'd appreciate it if you could share your location, your local time, and how your eyes feel today. People watching from states like California, New York, Texas, Arizona, and Florida often deal with different climates, and your experience helps others who face similar challenges. Understanding your situation gives this community a clearer picture of what seniors across the country are dealing with. If this information has helped you understand your eyes better or given you a starting point for your nightly routine, feel free to like the video and subscribe so you won't miss the next topics on senior eye health. Each week, we explore simple, natural steps that help older adults maintain clearer, more comfortable vision. Most importantly, remember this: It's not too late to support your eyes. Even in your 60s, 70s, or beyond, your eyes still respond to care. They still repair. They still improve when given the right support. Start tonight with one small step, and let your eyes feel the benefit in the morning.